Hey y'all, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video. All right, you guys. So I am getting ready to get on the road to travel. I have somewhere to be. I'm speaking tomorrow in South Carolina, and so I have to travel tonight. The kids are in the kitchen acting a nut. Stop throwing things at your brother. And then Gracie is trying to come to their rescue, and she doesn't know whose side she's on. She's on the side of the Lord, and she's also on Mom's side, but she gets real agitated with them. Anyway, because I'm on this healthcare journey, and because I have decided, stop throwing things at your brother, to work out for every day for 300. Get saved. Every day for 365 days a year, because I have to travel, and I have to travel significantly in order not to, in order not to miss my day of working out, because in over 100 days, I've only missed 3 days. 1 day I was sick, and 2 days I was traveling. In order not to miss a day, I'm going to grab the bike for 20 minutes. I got to do it before I get on the road, because once I get there, it's like a 4-hour drive. Once I get there, I can't promise myself. They don't have, where I'm staying, they don't have a gym, and it'll be dark, and I don't want to try to walk outside in the dark. So I'm going to go and do the bike for 20 minutes, and then the kids and I are getting ready to do a quick project before I pack to get on the road. All right, y'all. So the lighting is not the best in here. I put my timer on for 20 minutes, and I am doing the bike. So I got the arms going, I got the bike biking, and I'm just getting these 20 minutes in. I cannot afford to not do my 20 minutes because it's Saturday, and I don't typically go to the gym on Saturdays. I don't go out of the house on Saturdays. I just do the bike. But I have strength trained every other day this week. I almost didn't get a chance to strength train yesterday, but I did. And so I strength trained. Let me see, did I go to work every day this week? Yeah, I've strength trained every day this week. So, except today, which is, today is Saturday, right? So on Saturdays and Sundays, I do the bike. Now, when I come back tomorrow, it's again 4-hour drive. So I will probably be doing the bike about 9 o'clock tomorrow night. But I'm still going to get my 20 minutes in. I've made a decision to care for myself and my body, and this is how I'm doing it. And so anywho, y'all don't want to hear this noise of this bike, so let me get these 20 minutes in, or these 18 minutes in now, because I've been on the bike for a minute and some change, and then we will take you into the kitchen and show you what we're doing in there. Alrighty, y'all, so I'm done with my 20 minutes. Now, Jackson and I have y'all see, I got my coffee cabinet situated today. Got it all. Yes, lovely. Who's she talking to? Brandon? Shakema? Who's she talking to? She talking to somebody. Who you talking to? Shakema? That fan is still running.
Oh, I forgot to turn it off.
I know you did. All right. Probably both of those, Jackson. All right. So I got my 20 minutes done. Jackson is making a sandwich that's taken 3 hours. This is what happens to gourmet chefs. They have to be in the kitchen for a long time. And I don't understand, because I told him I need 20 minutes to do my workout so I could come in the kitchen and do some stuff. He's still in here.
Are you sure it was 20 minutes?
I'm positive the timer went off, buddy. Okay, I'm getting ready to work on this project. Okay, down here is where I have all of the baking equipment. Some baking equipment, some other stuff. This is where we have all of our measuring things. Measuring stuff, all that. And then this is the baking cabinet. Now, and then Jackson's doodinkles. I'm clearing this whole entire section out so that I can make this like the baking pantry. And we're going to figure out to rehome some of these items somewhere else. So you see this right now looking like this. In about 20 minutes, because that's all we got, this is not going to look like this, because we must do something very different. Okay, so I'm getting ready to get the kids moving to get this stuff situated before I get on the road. Jackson, I need to, what you mean? Sister, I need you in here. Bring Shakema with you. Tell Shakema she's coming to help us clean this morning. these are open, these can go to the garage. Jackson, if this is not open, this can go
You
out
should
to
watch
the garage.
911.
She should. But she like the midwives, right?
It's basically, well, it's kind of how it is, basically about first responders. They start with
All this
firehouse. They
baking powder.
start with like this firehouse squad. There's a sergeant lady,
Bacon.
and whoever's one of the. There's always a 911.
You can stop the video.
Operator. 911 operator. Is that what you call it?
Very good. Now let's see what utensils.
What
need
you're trying to
be-
keep and what you're not trying to keep.
Yeah, let me go get another basket out of the. But I got some little bins for some other flowers or whatever. Okay, I got you these. Okay, so let's do that. Get your KitchenAid in there and see how that's gonna work. Or we may actually have to put the KitchenAid back on the counter.
No.
Can it go?
They're
all
all
the way
of
back?
your clothes except for like a few of them.
I don't eat just meat syrup.
I'm looking for one dress.
Like you bought her a puppy.
Jackson.
I could care less, dude.
What's in the dryer?
Those are our clothes. None of those clothes